Good morning, dear students. Myself, Manasa, working as a PGCET in zoology at KGPV Karimnagar. Okay, today I am doing the first year zoology. In our first year zoology, there are 8 topics are there. That means 8 units are present. These 8 units are first unit is diversity. Diversity in living world, and the second one is organization in animals, and third one is animal diversity one, that is invertebrate phyla. And fourth one is animal diversity 2. Fifth topic, that is fifth unit, is locomotion and reproduction, particularly in protozoa. And the sixth topic is biology in human welfare. Seventh one is Periplaneta americana. And last and final topic, that is ecology and environment. Okay, here these 8 topics are deal in the first year. Today I am dealing the first unit, that is diversity in living world. According to IPE examination, it is very important unit and small unit which carries 8 to 10 marks. Here, diversity. What is diversity? Here, diversity means differences. Diversity means differences or variations. Okay, in this lesson we discussing about the differences or variations among the all living organism. In our locality we observe many of such a variety of organism. Each and every organism is unique, means each is differ from one. Okay, in this lesson we have some subtopics like what is life, and fundamental rules for living things, and next classification, fourth one is nomenclature, fifth one is the concept of species, And sixth one, that is another kind of this lesson, that is biodiversity. These six topics are very important topics which we deal in the first lesson, that is diversity in the living world, that is what is life and fundamental rules for the living things, and classification, types of classification, and this topic also include levels of hierarchy, and next topic is nomenclature and types of nomenclatures. Fifth one is concept of species and various concepts which is proposed by scientists. We deal in this topic, and last important topic is biodiversity and types of biodiversity and threats of biodiversity. All are discussed in the topic of biodiversity. Okay, today we discussing about the topic that is biodiversity. Okay, all of you list these important topics which are present in the first unit. Okay, ma. Our topic is biodiversity. We already know the term meaning biodiversity. Here diversity means in last class we discussing about the term diversity. Here diversity means differences or variations. These differences or variations are occurring in the living things at the level of form, size, shape, food habits, and behavior, etc. Okay, differences or diversity of living things occur at the level of in the form, in the size, in the shape, in food habits, and also in behavior. Here in biodiversity, the term is popularized by a sociobiologist named as Edward Wilson. Biodiversity term was popularized by a social biologist, Edward Wilson. Here in biodiversity there are three levels are present. These three levels are, first one is genetic diversity, second one species diversity, and last one is ecological diversity. Okay, here it is very important for our IPE exams. It is in this topic we have one 4 marks question and a 2 marks question. Here in these three levels, first one is genetic diversity, second one is species diversity, third one is ecological diversity. Here the first one, genetic diversity. It is very simple to define, that is diversity occurring at the genetical level. Easy to define. Okay, diversity at genetical level or at the level of chromosomes or are at the level of genes. Okay. And second one is species diversity. That is it is also defined very easily. That is diversity at species level. And final one, ecological diversity. Diversity at ecosystem level. Okay, these are three levels of biodiversity. That is genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. First one is genetical diversity. Diversity or differences or variations are occurring at the genetical level. And second one, differences occurring at the level of species. And third one, differences, variations are occurring at the level of ecosystem. Okay, we take each example for explaining for this concept. First one is genetic diversity. I hope all of you understood the definitions of these three terms. Here, first one is genetic diversity. We take an example for this genetic diversity is Rauwolfia vomitaria. Okay. First one is genetic diversity. Second one is species diversity. Third one is ecological diversity. Okay, ma? Here genetic diversity means differences or diversity at the level of genetical, means at the level of chromosomes, at the level of genes. We take an example to explaining this concept by the help of Rauwolfia. Vomitaria. Okay, Rauwolfia vomitaria. It is a medicinal plant grow around the country. From this medicinal plant, we extracted a medicine that is reserpine. It is used to treat the high BP. Okay. The differences in the chromosome level of Rauwolfia vomitaria is differ from one place to another place, but the plant is same, but the concentration of the drug is differ from one place to another place. These variations are due to the diversity at the level of genes, the diversity at the level of chromosomes which are present on the Rauwolfia vomitaria. For example, these Rauwolfia vomitaria majorly found in the Greater Himalayas, in Himalayas. Rauwolfia vomitaria, the concentration of reserpine is more high than other places which are grow in India. Another places concentration of reserpine is very low. these differences are occurring at the level of genes in the particular plant. So it is the best example to deal the genetic diversity. Okay, I hope all of you understood. And the second one is species diversity. Here species diversity is explaining with the examples of amphibian species which are present in the Western Ghats. Okay, then Eastern Ghats. Here amphibian species are very high at the Western Ghats than to resembles the Eastern Ghats. But these Eastern and Western Ghats are Ghats, but the amphibian species is very high, or we found very high in number at the Western Ghats. It is the example for the species diversity. And the last topic is ecological diversity. It is higher than other two diversities. Here genetical means we tell as only one species as an example, and in species we take some species like amphibian species are only one class of species, we take an example. So number of these species are more or less than the ecological diversity. In ecological diversity we deal the total ecosystem diversity. That's why ecosystem diversity or the ecological diversity is the higher than these two. Okay, again these ecological diversity classifies into three types. First one is alpha diversity, second one is beta diversity, and third one is gamma diversity. Okay, first one is alpha diversity, second one is beta diversity, and third one is gamma diversity. Here alpha diversity is measured only one taxa. Here taxa means we considered as a species. Only one species present at a particular area. We measured alpha diversity with the help of only one species, counting the only one species, counting the only one taxa present at a particular area. In beta diversity, we measured the species present at a two adjacent ecosystem. Measured the species of two adjacent ecosystem. Okay, first one alpha, we take an ecosystem and taken a particular area, and next we measured or we count a particular species in a particular area. And in beta, we taken two adjacent ecosystems and count the total species present in that ecosystems. Okay, and final last one, that is gamma. Here in gamma ecosystem, we measure the overall we measure the overall diversities or overall species in different all ecosystem. Overall different ecosystems. Okay. It is the concept of biodiversity and levels of biodiversity. In this topic we have a 4 marks question and a 2 marks question, that is okay ma, here we have a 4 marks question, that is what is genetic diversity, and here what is genetic diversity and what are the different types of genetic diversity. But here it is a very simple to write, only one definition, that is genetic diversity means diversity at the genetical level or differences at the genetical level. Example, we take an example, that is Rauwolfia vomitoria. It is the medicinal plant. From these plant we extracted the medicine reserpine. It is used to treat the high BP. In the concept of genetic diversity, the concentration of these reserpine is high and low according to the growing place of these plant. These differences are occurring due to the differences are from the level of genes or from the level of chromosomes. Okay, it is the question. And next another 2 marks question from this topic is ecological diversity. What is ecological diversity? Mention the different types of ecological diversity. Here it is a 2 marks question and it is a 4 marks question. Okay, here ecological diversity means diversity at ecosystem level, and the types of ecological diversity we write only the names, need not to define all these things, just alpha diversity, beta diversity and gamma diversity. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Thank you for listening.